So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing a very crazy lens on my Hasselblad X2D. It's a Tokina 500mm mirror lens, a very old construction, and it can give some very odd looking images but also some very beautiful images, and I wanted to see how this could perform on this 100 megapixel camera. I know it's not resolving 100 megapixels, but anyway, it could be an interesting look. So let's see how it worked for me. So here's my Hasselblad with the Tokina 500mm mirror lens. But if you don't know what a mirror lens is, I'll try to explain it here. So the light from your motive is coming in from the left, and it passes a lens element in the front, and when it hits the back of the lens, it reaches a mirror that mirrors the light back towards the front, where another mirror then mirrors it back towards the rear of the lens, where some lens elements concentrates the image for the center, or the film that is all the way to the right in this image. So the construction makes it possible to make these lenses very much shorter than it would be normally. So due to the construction with a mirror blocking some of the front, you will have a background blur that is circular or donut shaped, which is not to everyone's liking. But let's see how it worked for me in my review. To conclude on this lens, I must say that it certainly has some positive things going for it. I like the painterly look of the images, and I like the colors of it, and I like that it focuses so close that you can almost use it for macro photography. And then the very small size and weight is also very nice, and you can get it for cheap if you want a lens like this. But of course there's some downsides. It's not really sharp. No matter what you do, it's not really sharp. And the look of the autofocus areas are not for everyone's taste. I mostly like them, but sometimes it's a bit annoying. And the vignetting it creates is not possible to remove in any post-process software. So that's not so good. So I hope you liked the review of this crazy lens. At least I liked shooting with it. And if you did like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you want more reviews and other kind of videos from my side. So thank you very much for this time, and bye for now.